The BO7C is a European 60cm multi-function oven packed with features, including a programmable clock, self-cleaning catalytic liners and a telescopic runner. The easy-to-use retractable controls have clear markings for simple temperature and oven function selection. A large 81-litre capacity and 5 shelf positions provide ample space for all your cooking requirements. Choose from 7 functions to get the best results from your cooking. Multi-level fan force cooking ensures that the heat is more evenly distributed throughout the oven. This means that you can cook different foods on multiple levels of the oven all at the same time and achieve great results. A closed-door grill has the advantage of added safety as well as conserving heat and energy. Top element with fan is handy for baking and browning and particularly good for gratin. A bottom element with fan is also known as a pizza function to achieve a crispy base and delicious toppings. It also features a defrost function to help you hygienically thaw frozen items. This oven comes with a 10-amp plug. Just plug your oven into a dedicated power point and it's ready to use, saving time and money. The cavity cooling fan circulates ambient air to protect external components of the oven and the surrounding kitchen cabinetry. Easy clean features include self-clean catalytic liners on the side walls. Catalytic liners trap and dissolve grime. Combined with the easy clean enamel interior, they make cleaning the oven less of a chore. The chrome side rack system is also designed for easy removal for cleaning. Standard accessories include 2 chrome oven shelves and a universal baking pan with grill insert. The BO7C has a 2-year included warranty. Please ask about our 5-year warranty when purchased as a package. You may also want to consider our 7-function stainless steel and black glass model, the BO7C. Baumatic Appliances have been distributed in more than 40 countries worldwide for over 20 years. Baumatic, the perfect partner.